Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I get this question from some people like what happens if your travel authorization request for Canada is refused? Well, you can always retry. First of all, travel authorization request is not a visa application, okay? It's like an additional step introduced not because of this COVID-19 situation. So if it has been refused, you can always reapply. So there are few things you need to consider, like if you have applied and if you use the same information, same thing again, then the chances are almost negligible or less that it wouldn't do. But if you include more information and if you describe in a better way, of course you have to be honest. Do not try to do anything that is not the case. Always be honest. If you know that you are allowed to travel and you need authorization, articulate your case the way that it presents best, and it should make sense to the officer so that it should be good. At the same time, there are a few things you need to consider, like your email size should not exceed the limit that I have already described in other videos. Otherwise it may not get delivered. It would not be delivered if it exceeds that total size. And always check your other folders, like your social media folder, your junk folder and all. You never know, a mail could go over there, because for one of my subscribers, she reported that the response from IRCC went actually to her social media folder, social media and promotion folder. So check your mails, make sure like if you know some technicals, then make sure you add it to your white list so that it always hits your inbox. That's a good thing. Then there are few things you will consider, like if you have a compassionate reason to travel, like let's say taking care of your relative who is medically ill and required support. So there's a process through PHSE, and that authorization does not go through IRCC. So one of my subscribers responded that he got it in few hours after applying. So of course it depends on various factors and various cases, and you need a support form to be filled up. So all these things if you can consider, and then you can take a good decision. And there have been cases like one of my subscribers, she got approved in third attempt, one got in second attempt. So you can always reattempt it. So thanks for watching guys.